Hi guys, so Rare Beauty sent me a package. Yeah, it was so I received this because I downloaded the TYB app. It's a Try Your Best app, and this app has a bunch of different brands you can work with. So Rare Beauty was on there, and I was like, I need to join. So I was very excited. I didn't think I was gonna get something, but luckily months passed and they had a form where I could fill out, and I did, and they chose me, so I received this mini brow product. This is let me open the back. So they sent me this box. Okay, this is for free. Obviously it was gifted, so okay, I'm gonna open the box. This is the bag they sent me. It's their logo right here. It's like a cream beige bag. It's kind of hard. It's not soft. It's like the material is like not plasticky. It's firm, so it's good quality is what I'm trying to say. And it comes with these little maroon straps, so you can tighten and make it loose, you know. Okay, so the letter that it comes with is this. It's the new Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel. So I'm guessing this is her new product launch. I'm not sure, but it's a brow gel pretty much. So okay, this is the product they sent me. This is the packaging. Okay. So this is the little mini brow gel. It's very tiny. It's very sleek, neutral packaging. Let me open it up. Okay. Oh, pop. Okay. So as you can see, it's a clear brow gel. The wand is pretty small. It's little. So I already did my brows today, so I'm gonna test it out right now and see how it works. So let me just... Uy, se movió aquí. Here. Okay, so the brow product I used today is the Auto Eyebrow Pencil from Kiss NY Pro in the shade black. So it's a typical brow pencil. Okay, so now let's see if it works. I'm excited. Okay, I forgot how to use brow gel. Oh my god. So okay, let me see. Okay, ooh, it feels a little cooling and fresh. Ooh, okay, it looks nice. So I'm just gonna brush my hair straight. Okay, you notice that it did pretty well and nice. Brushing my hairs down in place. Look, and I put a little bit on, and I've seen people do, whenever they do videos, they go like that one way and then they do it the other way, like this. It feels a little thicker. It feels very nice. Like this, right? And then they go again the other way. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna copy them. What I see people do. Okay. Okay. So even though I went like what 2 to 3 times, it still doesn't feel thick. It feels very light on the brows. It feels clear. It feels like it's gonna set my brows in place without being too thick or extra, or you don't feel that layer of gel. It feels nice. I don't feel anything bothering me at the moment, but this is the before and this is the after. So you can see it tamed my brows a little. It looks more clean, or precise, a little more clean. My brows are natural looking with the brow gel, as opposed to without. It looks more heavy, a little more dark, a little more, it looks like I have makeup on, right? This one with the brow gel looks like kind of like my natural brows with a little bit of tint of makeup, you know. So first impressions, I do like this brow gel. She did well with the formula. All right, Selena, she did good. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish and do the other eye and see how it looks with both eyes on. Okay. I forgot the price. I didn't even look at the price, but I'll put it here because I forgot. And I don't know if this is her first brow product. I mean, I know she has brow products, but brow gel, I don't know if it's this the first ever brow gel. But okay, you see, I don't have any more product left. Well, just a little, but I didn't dip again. But you can see it is still Tamer Brows, which is a tiny little bit. So you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot of product for it to work. So, okay, so I'm just gonna do another dip layer. The only thing that I don't like is, listen, it's too tiny, and I'm pretty sure inside doesn't have a lot of product, which sucks. But the product itself works. It's just keep that in mind because of the price. It's probably a little too expensive to keep repurchasing, but that's the only con that I see right off the bat. But the formula and texture, everything is perfect. I mean, I don't have a lot of experience with brow gel, but I can tell. I've only tried the next one, and as the trendy one, it works great. But I think I like this one tiny more better. I don't know, but both are really great. So yeah, I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same process. Go one side, go to the left, and then go to the right, and then again with the left. And you see how easy that is. Even me, I'm a beginner when it comes to like brow gel, and it made it so easy and fast. So I'm sure if you don't know how to work with brow gel, you should get this because it's easy. Oops, I think right here, oop, I went a little overboard, but it's fine. You just go like this, clean it. You don't always have to use the wand, okay? That's what I do, the tricks, and it works. So yeah, okay, so right here, it looks a little meh because this is my brow hair fault. Is my eyebrow shape, is not the brow gel's fault, because you see right here, it looks like it's separated. It's like white. It's because I have really sparse hairs right here. It's not because of the product. It didn't separate. I don't think it's because of that. So just keep that in mind. I just need to go a little bit more in with the brow product. So to fix it, I'm just gonna go again. But even like that, like it doesn't look that bad. Okay, let me fix a little right here. I don't like super dark eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do a little hand. Okay, there. And fixie. And there, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So maybe put a little bit more here at the inner corner. You see? Ta-da, yay. I think I'm done. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Your brows are not gonna always look the same. It's fine. I don't mind if it looks a little bit off right here. I really don't care. But so far, I do like her brow gel. I think y'all should give it a try. I rated like what, 4 out of 5 stars or 5. I don't know, 4.5, because I still don't know if it's gonna last all day. But first impression, 4 out of 5 stars or 5 out of 5. It works. So, oh yeah, and this doesn't have a scent. What else? Let me see. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, so this. Oh yeah, let me read this. So it says, this is never stiff, sticky, or crunchy, and it's true because there's some that are very stiff, crunchy. This one's not, and I went over like 3 times, so this is true what they're claiming to be. What else? Universal, so doesn't matter the type of hair you have, hair color, whatever brows you have, is gonna work great on you. And this is mainly to shade, lift, and set with flexible hold. So yeah, I think it does what it claims right off the bat. I feel like even if you don't wear brow product underneath and you just go with the brow wax, it's gonna make your eyebrows tame and look pretty nice, like if you're a little bit put together but naturally, like without you putting on makeup. So I feel like it's a good makeup product for that too. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's her wearing it. She has naturally thick brow, but I'm sure, excuse me, wait, if you have very thin, sparse, small eyebrows, then it will work just as good. And that's the back. Those are her socials and more info about the product. You can buy them at Sephora or her website. Ulta, I don't think has Rare Beauty yet, right? I don't know, but so yeah, that's pretty much it. Damn, my voice is going away. Yeah, thank you so much, Rare Beauty and TYB app. Thank you. Wait, was it? No, Try Your Best app. TYB app there for sending me this for free. If you want to join, it's for free. You just download the app and it's pretty cool. If you want a little intro about the app, it's where you can work and collab with brands, with beauty brands, fashion, fitness, every type of brand there is. And you basically join with their brand. Wait if you get accepted. Once you do, you can do challenges. So they ask you a bunch of questions daily and you get points or coins. With those coins you get, you can like exchange them for money, and with that money that adds up, you can use it to buy products from this brand. So it's kind of like free. It's you're playing challenges, which are questions for you to get coins, and with those coins you can get free stuff. So it's kind of like a gift card kind of thing, if that makes sense. But this, I didn't buy them with my coins that I've been collecting over the past few months. This was just a separate thing. They were like, hey, if y'all want to join to get this item for free, just opt in. So they randomly do that. They send forms saying that you fill it out. And then you wait. So if you get accepted, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it. What else do you do there? You also do other pictures. Like they say, okay, if you do this certain look or this certain video and you upload it on TikTok or Instagram, you get coins that way. What else? And it's a very small community. All the people there are very nice. You can talk to them. It's kind of like social media, but not really, because you can meet new people there and chat. It's like a chat room in that app. What else? I think I'm missing something from that app. I can't think of anything else right now, but it's pretty cool and it's a fun, easy way to receive gifted items from your favorite brand. And I think you can only join with one brand. I don't think you can join with multiple brands at that app. I'm not sure, but it looks like you can't. What else? I think that's pretty much it that I can think of right now. But if I'm missing more details about the app or anything, I'll put it here. But it's free. You just download it at the App Store. I think Android has it. I'm not sure. Pretty much I think they do. But yeah, this a quick, easy way. If you're a small content creator and want to receive PR from brands, that's a easy way. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. So yeah, and I think it's all over the world. I'm not sure. but I'm pretty is for sure USA, so yeah, keep that in mind. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's it. Yay, bye. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.